to get these corners off, and then we'll be able to remove the headlights. Let's get into it. All right, we used a 5/16 to get that first bolt out of there. Let's get the rest. All right, so quick tip. You want to take these bulbs out so that you can have the space to get to the 2 screws that's down at the bottom, and that's right there, because it's going to be a tough time trying to do it without. And then you should just be able to slide it. Can we slide? Oh my god, I'll loosen it just a bit down there. Yeah, I'm not going to take the screws fully off. Yep, just slide it out. Boom. Taking out these screws, I feel like I'm going to have to take this whole cage apart, because I forgot the Skandix doesn't come with a new cage. So yeah, I'm going to have to take this cage apart and then put the lights in and reinstall. All right, got the cage out. Got a bolt here, and bolt down there. So I'm going to go back in the house because it's kind of raining and install the headlight and bring it back out. All right guys, so after taking a look, taking this cage off, had to break the pieces off. This is the cage right here. So it comes with its own cage. Wasn't even paying attention to that. So let's take it out, plug it up. Yep, take a look. Alright guys, so with this one, I left the corner light on and I was able to remove 2 bolts from the corner lights, not all 3, because that third one was a pain to try to get to up in the corner. But I was able to still get the headlight out. Time to put the new one in. Also switch out the shift knob. I just got a new one. Yeah, this thing is on its last leg. Oh, here go the new one. The shift boot is coming. It's very, very soon. Very, very soon. Let's pop this off. It should be easy. My God, just pulled up on it and it came off. Yep. Simple. Alright. And just put this one back in there like so. Maybe not. Alright, line it up right. Gotta line it up right with this groove. I see. Make sure nothing. What's this? Okay. Alright, I'm gonna have to use some force. Okay, with some force, shift knob is on. Just pulled in, all the Saabs lining up, and I'm right on time. I thought I was gonna be late. Yeah, it's funny. I saw one of the guys that I recognized.
Sorry, I'm looking your name. Joe. Yeah.
It's actually it's body matched center, so it'll be the salt black center. It's just like if you're not feeling well, that's not a good. What size are the wheels?
It's a lot of stuff you can't see.
What size are these?
It's 11 and a half in the rear, and then it's 9 and a half in the front. And then we cut the whole tub out, raised it. So a lot of stuff in there people can't see. Like the wheel tub is raised, like almost 2.5 inches.
Wow. So you can tuck them like this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, this thing is nice, man.
Over there.
There's a lot of great cars. Enjoy yourself. Thank you again to those, the Maryland Saab group, who are taking over Charity Row, bringing money in for the Linda Benn Foundation, who's going out, getting food, and putting it together and redistributing it to those that are in need. Have fun. We're here till 1 o'clock.
Michael, that horrible man is here again. The auto alarm salesman.
All the electronics actually work, RPMs, mile per hour, fuel range. You've never had back in the day, that's all I wanted. And then now everybody wants
the electronics are from Italy. There's a guy that's super into the show like me, like in his 50s, just electrical engineering, design all those own circuit boards. And then a couple of people do the mold for the dash. It's kind of like it's fiberglass, you gotta paint it and stuff after you, and then load everything. But I'm like, this is sometimes I got like a
False alarm, Michael.
Big boy motor right here.
Yeah, it makes 1,200. 12? That's 40 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
car, man. Oh, okay, cool, cool. Nice car though. What is it?
It's a 1984 Citroen 2CV. What year is it? 84.
Cool. Yeah, so it's
Real made look like the old Saab car. Yeah, it's really?
Yeah, but mine was in the garage.
Originally a 3 on the tree car.
Mm-hmm.
My old man converted it and then he put it away in his garage for 25 years and he finally retired last year, so he said we're gonna get it all back and up and running.
Wow.
So we got this one, we've got that 55 4-door over there too,
I've
the
seen
green
you
one.
guys pull in together. Yep.
And then we've got 57 Nomad with a 400 big block.
Sheesh.
57 4-door, that's a parts car right now.
Okay.
And then we've also got a 63 split window.
Nice.
So
Nice. Quite the collection.
Oh yeah.
Quite the collection.
You have good one? I have one bottle. Yeah, if you could, it'd be awesome. Because I don't have windshield wipers. I know you do, but I don't.
Restoration in progress. This is what y'all looking at. Restoration in progress.